Hi everyone, I'm Emma Melvin, the Director of Business Development here for Arlington, and I'm so excited to do a little walkthrough with you guys of the Arlington Social Media and Marketing Room. So let's get started. So when you guys get here, we have 3 little layouts for you. First is set up with 2 chairs, so this is great for filming a podcast or filming a TikTok or Reel with 2 people. So you can leave the chairs like this and then just set up. All right, everyone, and then layout number 2 is just 1 chair. So this is great if you wanted to just have a casual conversation with your audience, something like maybe a market update. So just move the chair and then just set up the ring light and just talk right into it. Last but not least is just a standing reel. So this one's my personal favorite, everybody. I love using this for Instagram Reels. You can do it for TikTok, but it's just you standing. You got the great background behind you. We've seen agents use it for testimonials after a settlement. So whatever you want to do, but just standing and use this great background behind you. Not sure what content to produce? We've got you covered. This binder is full of content ideas already written out for you. Just fill in the blanks, customize it a little bit, and then it's all set and ready to go. If you feel like you need additional help, just scan this QR code. We have a bunch of resources available for you that we're constantly updating, and they're gonna be kept fresh for you. Really quick, you guys, this is how to set up the ring light. So it's all ready for you. You can adjust it to whatever height you need. You can go up or down. You just put your phone in, and then this will be selfie, this will be back. So it just clips in right here. And then, lastly, if there's not enough natural light from the window, just press the red power button and it'll turn on. We have an exclusive discount to offer you all with our media partner Changeover Media for a discounted rate to edit your reels and videos. We have 2 great discounts to offer you all. The first discount is a reel that's edited for $35. It's just your standard reel. Option number 2 is going to be $19, and it has universal title branding at the end, so the video will just end with a little universal title logo. We've also negotiated additional discounts with our media partner, Changeover Media. If you have any other additional needs, feel free to reach out to them. You can easily submit your reels for editing by scanning either QR code. On your way out, you guys, please feel free to grab some marketing materials that are already made for you. We've got things like brokers open checklists, open house checklists, why title insurance, etc. So just grab one and go. As a thank you for stopping by, grab some UT swag on your way out. If you have any questions while you're here, feel free to grab one of us. And again, thanks so much for stopping by our social media and marketing room here at Universal Title Arlington.